guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. I'm Ingrid, and it's morning. It's about 47 degrees right now, and I was just thinking I should make something warm for my family's bellies. So I was thinking, what about a hearty chicken chili? That sounds very good to me. So meet me in the kitchen while I put all of the ingredients together. And this is also going to be in the slow cooker, so even better. I have here chicken breast cut up into small bits. Now to this, excuse me, to this I am going to add corn, I also have one large onion chopped finely. Okay, I also have garlic, can't be without that. Green peppers. I also have chicken broth. Small red beans, drained and washed. Seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, chili lime, seasoning, oregano, which I crushed into my hands, smell delicious, cumin, and black pepper. Stir well. Smells delicious. Okay. I have this set on low, and I am going to have it in my crock pot for 7 hours. It's going to cook for 7 hours. And let's see what this looks like. All right. It's still cool here. The liquid is a little bit runny, in my opinion, okay? So what I'm going to do is I am going to make a slurry of cornstarch and water. And I'm going to pour this in and mix well. Now I'm going to put the lid on it again and leave it for about 10 minutes so that it has time to thicken up. Now I wanted to eat this, enjoy it with crusty bread or cornbread or biscuits, but I don't have any of that. So I just toasted regular sandwich bread and I buttered it up, and that's how we are going to eat it today, just like this. It smells delicious. It smells amazing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Guys, you need to try this. This hearty chicken chili is absolutely delicious. It's delicious. Can't say anything else, but it's delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. Please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And remember, hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love you. Bye.